In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious fried pineapple rings recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need pineapple rings, half a cup of flour, half a cup of ice cold water, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. In a bowl, combine together the flour, salt, oil, and the cinnamon and whisk until completely combined. Slowly add in the ice cold water and whisk until a smooth batter forms. Coat the pineapple rings completely in the batter. Fry them in oil until golden brown on both sides. Once completely fried, we're going to take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. Sift with powdered sugar. Our fried pineapple rings are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!